through the enchanted forest, over sparkling rivers. This magical journey will bring pure happiness to all those who join Luna and her best pals as they work together to save the Windsong bird. With magic at every turn, you will be swept away as your heart fills with wonder and joy. Come along on the new adventure with Luna, Pebbles, and Tico.
Every day brings a new little magic.